Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the importance of communicative English or a letter. Write a letter to your friend about the importance of communicative English. অর্থাৎ তোমার বন্ধুকে তুমি কমিউনিকেটিভ ইংলিশের গুরুত্ব জানিয়ে একটি লেটার লিখবে। Dear friend, your letter is to hand. I'm happy to know that you are fine. But I'm sorry to learn that you are less interested in communicative English. You must know about its importance. Modern English is communicative English. It is necessary for us to communicate with the foreigners. Nowadays, many people go to foreign countries for employment. They have to speak English. In different international forums, we have to speak English. For overseas correspondence, we must understand what the foreigners say. If we are not fluent in spoken and written English, we cannot maintain our diplomatic and all commercial activities internationally. In that case, we shall be isolated from the global village. Without knowing English, we cannot get a good job. Ours is a developing country. We cannot keep pace with other nations without English. So I suggest you to lay importance on English, especially communicative English, which means the language of conversation, correspondence of knowledge of functioning English. It does not mean literature. It is easy to learn. That's all for today. I am fine. Hope to hear from you. Yours sincerely, Mehdi. Draw an envelope with address. সবশেষে আমরা একটি এনভেলপ এঁকে লেটারটি শেষ করব। সেক্ষেত্রে ফ্রম লিখব, টু লিখব, ফ্রমের জায়গায় হবে মেহেদি এবং টু এর জায়গায় হবে ফ্রেন্ডের নাম, অ্যাড্রেস, এভাবে লিখে আমরা এনভেলপটি শেষ করব অ্যান্ড লেটারটিও এভাবে